stretch your neck and shoulders. Your neck and shoulders can take the brunt of the strain when sitting at a desk, particularly if you talk on the phone frequently. Consider a headset for long phone calls and stretch frequently. 1. Chest opener. Lock your fingers behind your back and place them on the top of your chair or another surface. The higher your hands are, the deeper the stretch. Then put your chin down on your chest to maximize the stretch. 2. Neck rolls. Roll your neck slowly, starting with putting your chin on your chest and moving clockwise. Make sure to go the opposite direction as well. If you are feeling particularly stiff here, try to put your ear on your shoulder and hold for a few seconds.